guys, and welcome, and thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my summer FabFitFun box. I know I'm very late to the game, but it's my very first time getting FabFitFun, and I don't know, I was late to the game. I ordered this actually a month ago, and it just now got to me. I wasn't expecting to film a video today, but it just arrived, and it still says that my box is awaiting shipment, so I'm like confused, but I'm happy I got it. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I got in my FabFitFun box, because honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I know you're gonna get the Generation Clay mask, which is the whole reason why I got this box to begin with, because that is the best face mask I've ever used in my entire life, hands down. So that's why I got this. I'm pretty sure everybody gets that. If not, I'm gonna cry. So hopefully it's in this box. Also, really quick, I am going to be getting some lighting today, and do you guys want me to do a little like review on the lighting that I bought off Amazon? They're very cheap, so I'm kind of hoping that they'll work really well, but if they work really well, then I can review it and tell you that they do work really well, and then you guys can buy them if you're interested in lighting, because I need lighting, and a lot of other people probably need lighting, and if they can find cheap alternatives, then there you have it. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe before you go, and leave a like if you guys are into unboxing videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got. Ooh. Okay, so obviously the box is so cute. And yeah, let me figure out how to set this down. So we're gonna keep our box right here. So of course it comes with a little magazine with it, which I'm sure you know, you've seen like a million of these unboxings if you're even watching mine, but I'm gonna give this a read. Then the other thing on top is a 50% off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping for HelloFresh. Anyways, I'm going to take this and just open it up. Yay! Okay, so the very first thing in here that I see that's huge, well, I'm going to leave it there because it balances out the box because it's not very still. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is some kind of jewelry on top. Okay, it comes in this very nice velvety feeling bag. Jennifer Zunier jewelry. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh, I love this. Okay, let me get it out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here's a close-up. So cute. Okay. All right, we've almost got it. It's gonna take almost this entire video to get this necklace out of this plastic packaging. Okay, here it is. It's like 2, here's the little thing to make it longer, but it's 2 in 1. So it's a layered necklace, and it has 2 little stars. That is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this. Y'all, this made me so happy to see. It's so dainty and pretty, and the little stars are just a nice little touch, and this would be perfect for fall just because stars and fall kind of go together, at least in my own personal opinion, but that's so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next thing I see is Kula makeup setting spray, and I think I've tried this before. Let me see. Let's just open it up and then we'll know if I've tried this before. Hold on. Oh, the cap came off. Okay. Oh, I have. I've tried this before. Oh, and it's in such a nice bottle. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Here it is. Oh, wait, no. This one's the organic one. This is organic that I've tried. So this is just regular makeup setting spray. SPF 30. And it contains 70% plus organic ingredients, so it's close. But anyways, I want to smell this because the last one's, oh, there's like little balls in there, kind of like your nail polish. That's weird. Okay, cool. Interesting. Let's smell it because the other one smelled weird. Yeah, this one smells just like it. It kind of smells like hairspray, but I'm so excited for this. Yes! Okay, cool. Okay. Next item in the box is an exfoliating foot mask. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. So this is from the brand Wish. Okay, so this is going to be really great for me to use for my feet. I joked about making a Facebook to sell feet pictures, foot pictures, whatever, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that just to experiment because you can make a lot of money from that. Oh, I can already smell this and I haven't even opened it. Okay, there's a safety seal in here. I'm going to wait to open it, but I can literally smell this out of the package. It smells so good. Coconut milk and verbena. So I'm excited to try that. The next thing on the box is this huge box by Grace and Stella. It's a spray all day rose spray. Hydrating rose facial spray. This sounds really, really fancy. Okay. Oh, and the bottle is so big. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. Look at it. Oh, it leaked a little bit. But it smells good. So this is the rose spray. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, okay, let's spray it. It smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, I was about to say it smells so good. Darn good. Anyways, yes, this smells so good. I'm so excited. Okay, next thing in the box is in a little wrappy thing. Oh, it's a mystery choice. Okay, I don't know what that means because I'm new to FabFitFun, but I got another one of these in a starter box that I got by Dr. Brandt, but it's completely different. This is a pore purifying cleanser. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty. So this is just a cleanser. There's not much else to say about it, but I'm pretty freaking excited to use it. I'm gonna wait to open it, but yeah, this is so good. I love this. Oh my god. The next thing in here is some Invisi Bobble, the traceless hair ring original. There's 6 in here. Okay, so this is like hair ties, but they look like those little like keychains that you used to get back in like the early 2000s, and people would just wear these on their wrist. Okay, so how is this supposed to work? Does it not tangle? How do you use this for a hair tie? These used to be bracelets. You used to wear these. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I wonder if it hurts coming out. Ow. 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 Okay, so that hurt a little bit, but my hair's still a little wet. So, yeah. It says it has a strong grip. Okay. I'm going to test these out because, well, I don't know what to say about those yet, because they just remind me of all of the bracelets that people wear in like the early 2000s, and yeah, like, you know, I'm talking about like the neon colors, and they had like glitter inside. If you know, you know, and if you know, you're cool. Next item is my absolute favorite in the box, which is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This stuff is the bomb.com. As soon as you put it on my face, as soon as you put it on your face, it automatically starts to dry, and it dries down to a really pretty purple. But yeah, it's really good. You can literally see your face so bright right after you're done. It's fantastic, and I always said I was going to buy it again, but I didn't. But yeah, I think these are like $30 or something, so I paid $29.99 for this box because I used the 40% off discount. So yeah, this pretty much pays for itself with this box. So yeah, isn't there like a card that tells you everything that's supposed to be in here and the prices? Or maybe it's in this magazine. I'll figure it out. The next thing in here is is it a towel? Yeah, it's a towel. 59-inch towel. 150 centimeters. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, what brand is this by? Vicks Paula Hermani. Okay, anyways, this feels like a really nice little towel. Okay. Is this a beach towel? It feels like things that I clean my house with. Okay. Oh, I get it. It's like, oh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, so it's a round towel, and it's like, it looks like little petals, like a... Okay, so, yeah. It has a little cute tag on here, too, so... Yeah, this is a cute, like, beach towel, I think. At least that's what I'm going to use it for, even though I don't go to the beach, but I lay outside all the time with my son when he's playing outside, so I can just lay down this towel, and we can have a little picnic or something. Super cute, and I like the design, and I like how it's, like, petally shaped all the way around, and it's round. I mean, even if you don't want to use it as a towel, obviously it'll work as like a round tablecloth if you're into that sort of thing. Towels being tablecloths. Cool. Okay. That's fun. Okay. And I think this is the last thing in this box. And it's huge. What even is this? I don't even know. This is by XOXO Felt Massage Board. What? This is a felt massage board? What does this mean? Okay, say what you mean with our square letter board. Oh, it's a letter board. Oh, I said massage. I was like, what the frick is a massage board? It's message because I don't know how to read. Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. There's lots of things in here. This is like bringing back memories of Christmas when you have to pull all these things off of the things when you're building things. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a little bag you put the letters in. Okay. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so I'm getting lighting today, and I'm going to get a shelf, and I'm going to put my cute Halo Top PR box on there, and I can put my message board on there. Oh my God, I can tell you if I'm doing an unboxing on it like other people do. Okay, so here's the letters that you're going to, you know, pull apart and take out, and there's several of each. So there's like 2 S's, 1, 2, 3, 4 Y's. There's a good amount of stuff. So you can say what you have to say really quickly without running out of letters. And here's the board, nice and bubble wrapped. Okay. And then it also has a hook, so you can hook it on the wall. And it's like felt. Wait, how is that supposed to stick? Yeah, okay. It smells like wood. I love the smell of wood. So anyways, yeah, I don't know how this is supposed to stick. Okay. Does it say? It includes 189 letters, numbers, and symbols. Oh, I see. So these little, there's like, hold on, there's little lines in here. And on the back of the letters, there's little, like, grooves or something that you will poke in there, kind of like a ring into a ring holder or something. This is cute. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's figure out if we can figure out what the prices are for everything. Oh my God, I told myself I wasn't gonna get the fall box. I was just gonna do one and be done, but oh my God, I want the fall box. I can only imagine what cute stuff will come in there. Okay, here we go. This is what it is. Okay, so the message board has a value of $35. Wow. Okay, and then this cute towel. What is this? 1B. Oh, wow. It's a lotus towel, and the value of this is $50, and so you can kind of see what it looks like when it's laying out. It'll look like that. Okay. The next thing I see is the necklace here. So this is going to have a retail value of $50. Is this gold plated? How is this $50? Oh well, it's cute. I like it. Can't wait to wear it all the times. The mystery item, it says $24 plus for the mystery item. I don't know. Okay. All right. The next thing, the spray all day rose spray. This is a $25.95 value. The foot mask is a value of $32. Generation clay, $39. It's $39, not $29. Okay. Where's the rest of the stuff? Oh yeah, and then the little the hair ties are $36. You can buy these for like $1 somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that because that's just weird. Okay, and then the Kula spray right here, the makeup setting spray is $36. Okay, so I think I went over everything I got in the box. If not, I apologize. But I love this FabFitFun box, you guys. It is so great. This is going to look so cute when I start filming against a wall and I don't look like I live here in a little tiny space. But anyways, yeah, I love everything that I got. I'm so excited. I'm going to buy the fall box. I tell you what. So, yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And, yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.